It's a showdown that's about to go down. Hi, everyone. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro. Puck drop just moments away here in this hot matchup. Opening face-off just moments away. The Canucks start with possession as we are now underway. The Leafs grab possession to the puck. Scheifele's crossed the line and is on the attack now. Letang's lugging the puck. Steps inside the attacking zone down the left wing. Big save in front. Scores! Picks up the loose change and puts it into the back of the net.
Always follow that puck to the net. Even when you shoot it from that down low spot, keep going to the net. The puck is there if the goalie stops it. He gets there first, and now he's got a tally on the board.
And that pass doesn't go. Tries to get it over to Jones. Now a quick pass to Nylander. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Directs it on over to Nylander. Play develops. It's a 2-on-1. Moves the puck across to Letang. Here he is from the slot. Oh, he got all of that. What a save by Vasilevsky.
Bang-bang play right in the low slot, and the goalie's on top of it. He makes a really astute save here by reading the play well and turning it aside.
Slides it over to Scheifele. The Leafs move it ahead. Off the left wing and into center. Oh, slick work with the glove by Vasilevsky. Slides the puck across to Huberdeau. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that's blocked from someone in front. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. The Leafs have it against the wall. Passes the puck over to Nichushkin. Vancouver's gained possession. Goes right to the crease. Scores! And here comes the boom as in Jenner. Great finish. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. Vancouver's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. He got all of that one.
Yeah, and it was that guy who's picking himself and his stick up off the ice.
And a poke check knocks the puck away. Hammers it! And that goes off someone in front and doesn't reach the net. The Leafs get a hold of the puck along the boards. And he passes it up ahead to Duclair. To his teammate! Spectacular stop by the goaltender. How did he hang on to that?
Sharp reaction save.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. The Canucks lead this one 2-0. Vancouver's got possession here in their own end. Here they come on the attack down the right side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Fires it. Flushes the leather. What a save by Quick. Face-off looming as both centers get into position. Horvat's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Quick pass to Tavares. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Getting a little physical there with that collision. Nice feed from the right wing. The Leafs move it in. They've got the defense outnumbered. Skate save. Great reflexes there.
Smothered that in close chance.
Denies him. Here's a chance behind the net.
This is an unbelievable shift. I mean, I don't know how the puck hasn't got on the net yet. They've been all over it.
Cuts to the paint. Scores! They are on fire.
Yeah, and it's all different sources, too. Score a goal, make a change, get another one. Nothing seems to slow them down. Great example of the ebb and flow of a game. I mean, you give up a chance at one end. If you can survive that, now right away you're on the offense as quickly as you can. They counterattack perfectly and survive the chance, score it on there.
Nice save by the goaltender to get a pad on that.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Oh, and that's poked away in the offensive zone by Nichushkin. The Leafs going to work on offense. Here's a chance in front. The shot. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Handles the pass. The Leafs have it from their own end. Moves it to Malte. Great poke check on the reach. Puck picked up by Pettersson. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. And he takes a shot. Oh, and he gets in front of it to make a great save.
No rebound there. You want the puck? Go get it in the corner. The goalie's turned it aside.
Into the attacking end. Shot off the mask of the goaltender. Boy, right between the eyes. And with that, the first period comes to an end. Both teams will have a chance to get a breather, and they'll be back on the ice with period number 2 in not too long. Both teams back on the ice after the first intermission. Ray Ferraro, James Cybulski ready to bring you the call for period number 2. Well, let's see if there was any message sent in the dressing room here before the start of the second, because it was one-sided, to say the least, in the first. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Vancouver's message to the players is to continue on that opening 20 minutes. I mean, they started on time. They were ready to go. They were the more aggressive team. Possession of the puck, they had it the whole 20 minutes, and they got rewarded for it.
We're still in the early stages of this period. The Canucks have dominated this one to this point. They lead at 3-0. And he gets a paddle on that one.
He's sharp on this one. Out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
The Leafs take it along the wall. Vancouver's got it from behind the net. Besser's got it into offensive territory. On the backhand, makes the pad save, although he might have got a piece of it with his foot. Oh, and it's another save on the play. Denies him.
So good. A couple of quick stops to keep the puck out.
2-on-1. Here's a shot. That's blocked away.
It's a really good save. In tight, he shuts down the area where the puck can go by getting out onto the puck, and there's nowhere for the shooter to put it.
Grips it and rips it, and that's off target as it hits a body. No!
We expect it.
He scores!
They've given themselves a little bit of a chance here. James just opened the door for a little light. Can they find another one to really make it close?
Something to build on, right, Razor?
You just got to have something to believe in. This is it.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. The Leafs are still trailing by 2. Poked away at center by Barzal. Grabs control of it at the point. Stays with it. Here's a chance. Scores! He doubles up the rebound and tucks it home.
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Taken by Taves. Nice pass. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Here's a chance. Oh, a clutch save. Takes it to the front. Another stop by the goaltender.
Vasilevsky's goaltending at one end and the offensive output at the other has made for a good night.
Both teams are set. They're ready to drop the puck. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Vancouver's got it in their own zone. Puck grabbed by Edmund Larson. Scores! Oh, what a shot! He got all of that one. Vancouver's quickly filling up the highlight reel shows for later this evening, Ray.
They are, even though it's in the second period still, they have scored almost at will tonight.
Here's a chance. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. And another stop.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Drives to the sweet spot. Fantastic save.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Manages to hang on. Centering feed. A blast. Turns it aside. The Canucks gain control of the puck against the wall. Vancouver's on the attack. They score! That's 3 in a row!
This is turning into an onslaught. There seems to be no way to slow them down.
Vancouver's widened the gap yet again tonight, Ray.
How far can you widen a gap? Because they keep adding on to it. It seems like shift by shift.
And now it's grabbed by Fowler. Fires it on net. That goes wide.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Throws it in. Launches him into the boards.
He used the boards as an anchor. There's nowhere to go, and he delivered that hit crisply.
Vancouver's playing it from the side. Grabs the puck. Oh, what a save by Forsberg. Puck scooped up by Ben. And he'll retreat inside his own end. Puck picked up by Schmidt. Moves it quickly over to Liljegren. Oh, they couldn't connect on the play. And a solid save on the play there. Risky play, but pokes it away. And he slides it quickly to Horvat. Icing is the call. We'll get a face-up at the other end. Center's gliding up to the face-off dots here. Vancouver's won the draw. The Leafs scoop it up along the boards.
Whoa!
He scores! And they finally get up off the canvas here, Ray.
Yeah, that feels like a day late and a dollar short. They've given up so many goals
here. No kidding. The Leafs needed that one as they get back to center ice.
They need a lot more than that. It's really been a poor performance by them so far.
Miller's won the draw here in the neutral zone. Quick feed to Myers. Vancouver's got him along the wall. Oh, and he just gets a piece of it. Great extension on the play.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Vancouver's won the faceoff. Oh, and he completely muffs the shot. Can't complete the pass as it goes off a stick. Receives the pass. Here's a short pass to Nylander. Oh, how do you miss?
Well, we say that, James, because it looks so easy, but he's got to get rid of it quickly. He's trying to be perfect. He just misses the net wide.
Miller's got it, and they'll go on the attack here in the offensive zone. Oh, he had the right idea, but couldn't make that play with the pass. Denies him again! There it is. That's a wrap for period number 2. Both teams will get a chance to get a little breather here, and we'll come back. Third period action next. Period number 3 just moments away as the official signals both teams into position. It's been a total mismatch here as we get underway for the third. Let's see if anything changes. Forsberg's going to give everyone a chance to breathe and hang on to the puck. And we're moments away from getting back underway here with the puck drop. Vancouver's got it in the offensive zone. Good reach of the stick to knock the puck away. Taken by Goudreau. Through center along the wing. It's a chance on the rush. 2-on-1. And that was a good heads-up read to make that save. Quick pass to Bessel. Forsberg's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Vancouver's won the draw, and they'll go to work. Oh, and an even bigger save on the slapper. The Leafs win the draw. Byram stick handling in his own zone. And he slides it quickly to Scheifele. Great cross-ice pass. Poked away in the neutral zone by Goudreau. Byram's picking up steam. Moves it to Nylander. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Right off the side of the net. And that one's turned aside. Save made by the goalie.
He might want to look around and see if there's anyone going to help him. Two unbelievable stops in tight. Turned them both away.
Cuts into the paint. And that's blocked in traffic. Oh, he almost put him through the boards. Jones gains the zone. Scooped up along the wall by Myers. Fires it. Gets in front of it. Puck grab by Malte. Nice feed. Vancouver's gained possession along the boards. Tried to make a move and the puck hops away.
I know what he's trying to do. Get into space to shoot it, but now you got to chase because you've turned it over.
Cuts to the front. Glove save and the puck moves on. There's another stop.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
And both centers glide into the dot as a face-off set to resume. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Vancouver's got the puck along the boards. Makes a save. I think he got a foot on that one.
That's a really good save. I think the goalie's probably surprised he was dead center and open to shoot that puck.
The Leafs gain possession. Rope's got it along the boards. Two players got it in the offensive zone. Tenacious battle for the puck along the wall. The Leafs gain possession of the puck here in the offensive end. And that's deflected off someone in front. Tries to the crease. How did he stop that one?
Yeah, it's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Taken along the wall by Vasilevsky. Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle. Vancouver's got it in the defensive zone. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. Oh, he got all of that with a blocker. What a stop by Forsberg. Scores! Jumps on his own rebound and tucks it in. The Canucks have been whipping their opponents all night long, and it continues here in the third.
This has been as good a performance as you can possibly imagine. There's really nothing to say behind their bench right now.
Vancouver's looking to break out of their own end. Sends one up to Besser. To the front. Scores! That's two unanswered now.
They stayed right on it. Once they start that first one, they just pushed the pace of this. Now they get another. Really tough for the goalie to read where the heck this thing's going. I'm looking at the shot. I can't tell where it's going, but the backhander beats the goaltender.
Vancouver's added to their lead here in this third period. It's been non-stop.
I like how they've scored and then gone after the next one, James. They've had their foot down on the gas pedal the whole night.
And he makes the save on that play. Some last-second communication with the D as centers get ready to drop the puck. The Leafs take possession off the face-off. Grabbed along the boards by Tavares. Moves it quickly over to Ben. Here's a shot, and he comes up with it. Oh, nice use of the boards with the paint pass. Makes a move in front. Oh, what an insane stop by Forsberg. Oh, and another big stop.
That happened so quickly. There's no help from the defense because the puck's there, and it's back at the goaltender again. He turns them both away.
Miller's won the draw. And he comes up with the save. Picked up along the boards by Besser. And a bad pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end. Quick feed to Malte. Vancouver's got the puck in their own end. Penalty coming up. possession here, and it should be it. Letang's got it in the corner. Looks to set up at the point now. Vancouver's got it from behind the net. Takes it into the slot. Pass broken up. Whistle blown, stopping the play.
I don't even know if they're looking for good news anymore, James. They just want the news that the game is over. This penalty doesn't help.
The Canucks will go to work here in the offensive zone. And a nice takeaway in the defensive end by Gaudreau. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Scheifele. Sends it down low. MacKinnon's got it in the defensive end. Moves it around along the half wall. Nice blocker save by Forsberg. And as the final seconds tick away, listen to this place recognize a hard-earned victory. Shot! Turns it aside once again. There's the final horn, and that'll do it here this evening. Vancouver's performance brought to life in so many areas. What popped for you?
For me, James, it's the way that they controlled the puck. They had it on their stick most of the time. They controlled much of the game.